So, any question for me? If I could remember, we stopped last class when we create inside our sale a major average price, this, correct?
Yes.
And I think on page 3 or where, page 2 or oh. So we make use of average price, yeah?
Yeah.
Good. So that's nice. So now we want to, again, I remember, let's go and open our snippets. So go to all files. Here, 300 labs, create that calculation, go to assets and open the snippets there. Okay. And we have all this formula. Remember in last class, we run through how to create table. Using that formula, we run through how to generate a date table, how to create a year, how to create quarter, how to create month, how to create month key. Can somebody remind me, what did we use month key for? Hello, class?
Hello, sir.
Yes, I'm listening.
We used it to sort the data that was shown. I'm trying to remember the table that we use it to sort the date on one of the tables because they were arranged alphabetically instead of according to the calendar month.
Which part of the day did you use to sort?
The month.
Thank you. Even of the name, I expect it to be. We used to rearrange the months. When you do not sort it, it's going to put it in alphabetical order for you. So we use month key to rearrange it. Why did we hide some keys? Why did you hide some keys? Why? Another person in the class, why did we hide some keys? If you remember, we are in report, there are some information you can't see here. Why? Why did we hide them? Can anybody tell me? Why did we come to model? A model here. If I come to sales alone, I'm sure you realize that you can't see all these keys when you are in report view. Why did we hide them? Why?
Yeah, I think in model, we need all of these keys to do our to create our relationships in between all of these tables. And then in our report view, they are not really necessary because we have done the modeling from the back end, which is from the model view. So
okay. I will give you 4/10 because you show idea of it. It's because you don't need it to present any information. This is where you create your dashboard. You don't need most of the key here. You only need the key to form a relationship with your table, as rightly said, not that they are not necessary. Is that word necessary that I am not comfortable with? You need it for table relationship, but you don't use it for dashboard. You don't use it to narrate an information. Remember, we said that data analytics is to tell story about your data. You don't use your key to tell story about your data, right? So I just want you to master the reason why you are doing everything you are doing. That is when you will understand Power BI, okay? And that is when you will sequentially, when you are doing anything, you can picture it in your mind. This is why I am doing this. I'm not just doing cram and pour. Okay, good. So let's move on. Let's move on. So now, having created an average, price on our sales, okay, we want to create other statistics. We want to create a median price. So statistician, what does median price, what message is it passing across to us?
Median price, that's like the middle price.
The middle price, thank you. What of mean price?
That's like an average.
Average.
MIN, minimum, minimum price. Okay, mean is average. Okay, average can also be termed as correct, but there is minimum price. What message is that one telling us? The smallest price that you can have, then maximum, highest, then your orders and other lines. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a measures. We want to create other measures there. So right click on your sales, new measure. Okay, and who can tell me, what do you understand by measure? What do you understand by measure? Who's talking to me?
We can simply put measure is. It's
Come
like
again?
we can simply put that measure is the creation of calculations.
Measure is
The creation of calculations.
the creation of calculations, yeah. And measure is when you create your calculation, but you assign that calculation to, every calculation has a name. You can call it a named calculation, a named formula, okay? Unlike in Excel, it doesn't have a name. You can just throw your calculation to Excel sheet and off you go. Okay, let's look at our median price. We create a measure. So the name of the measure is median. You can do copy and paste, but for learning purpose, I prefer you type median price. Do you know? I hope you know how I got to this place. You understood how I got to this place I am?
Yes, we do, sir.
Hello? Okay. So median price, then hold your shift key and press enter. So I'm having average. Okay. Table says.
Are we doing median or mean, sir?
Median.
But your formula is average.
Mean is complete average. But median is, what calculation are we doing here? Microsoft is confusing us. Sorry. Sorry. Median, sorry. I'm the one confusing you. So that's the formula we want to use. Median, okay, of a field in a sales table, a field price, unit price. So the meaning of this is you are saying look for a field unit price in sales table and give me the middle of the price. Okay. So the next formula we want to have is medium or minimum, sorry, minimum. So right click on your sales, new measure. Here, the name of my formula is, remember we said mayor is a named formula. The name of this one is mean price. That's minimum price. So here, mean that's my minimum price. Let me copy this so that I don't retype all the time. I want to have the maximum price. So I click on sales, new mayor. So I'll paste here. This one is simply correct this to max. That's how you get a maximum price. If you are looking at the right hand side, you will see that all the calculation, all the measures are there. Then you have the other, the other formula. You want to count, you want to look at distinct counts of sales in sales order number. You want to know the number of orders you have. So right click on sales, new mayor. Let me paste this guy here. So the name of my formula is order. Orders. Then I have distinct counts. Distinct count of sales table. This time around, sales order number. So sales order number. And finally, you want to count the number of rows in your sales table. So you create the final formula, right click sales, new mayor, paste this. So this time around, order lines. So here you see count rows. And the count rows. Here you don't have a feed, only pick count rows for sales table. So that takes me to the end of your so now I want to see a form. I want to see the salesperson performance of my marketers. And how do I do that? There are two formulas we use. I want to have says new mayor. I want to have a field targets. Okay. I want to display targets. Hello, am I in the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope everybody is following me. So if has one value, in your sales person performance table, sales person performance, this table, okay, field sales person. Remember there is a field sales person, that your sales performance. If there is one person there, then you sum your targets. Okay, you come to sum, open bracket, your target table, targets, table target, sum target amount.
So it's underlining target amount because there's no target amount table on our tables, or target amount fields rather on our tables.
Right. Okay, target. I think we omitted something. That table supposed to be target amount. Did you delete target amount? Hold on, let me finish what I'm doing. Okay, don't worry. Let me go to table view. I think it's either I omitted. This guy is supposed to be target amount. Rename it. Okay. We'll go back to this place. Wash out your target now. Okay. So we need another calculation, variance. Right click on new mayor. So this time around, variance. I would love to delete this. Let me go and copy my targets. The next formula is similar to targets. Okay, so I will copy this formula, copy everything here. You can also copy it in your snippets, but I want to make sure we type our own. That's the best way you can learn. Okay, so now I want to have a new mayor. So I want to just paste that target, yeah? Change your target to variance. You see the same has one value, salesperson, performance person. Sum this time around, you are summing a field sales and you are subtracting target from it. So sales. Sales field. Sales. So minus so I'm subtracting target from summation of sales. I'm getting a variance there. So that calculate my variance for me. And variance margin. What's variance margin? That's another calculation, which is the final calculation. What are you looking for there, sir? Variance margin. So you now have your divide. Variance. Comma. The numerator is variance and the denominator is target. So that takes me to the end of all the formula we want to write. Okay, having done those ones, I'm reviewing the formula. How many formula have you written now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So in this distinct count function used in others, mayor will count others only once. So that it will repeat it because as I said, distinct counts. Okay, count rows function used in the other lines will measure operates over a table. In this case, the number of orders is calculated by counting distances other number, all along like that. So let's come to our model view as we have here, and then multi-select the four price, average price. Let's come to model view. Okay, select your average price. The next one is price itself. Price. Average price, max price, that's maximum price, so that your control key. Maximum price, this. Then median price, this. And minimum price. Okay? So having done those things, for the multi-selection measures, configure the following. Select the format to 2 decimal places. Come to your, close your property. So look at your 2 decimal places already 2. Okay? Average price. Okay, average price. So that's that 2 decimal places. Then the next thing is create a display folder. Look at minimize the format. General, what do we have there? Display folder. So in this display folder called pricing, type pricing there. Make sure you selected all the 4 items before you go to your name folder and call it pricing. You can see now that I've been all of them with a folder pricing. Hello, student. If I ask you a question like, will you be able to answer me right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you. So that's about our pricing. We have 4 items there: average price, max price, minimum price, and median price and minimum price. Okay. Hide the unit price column. We want to hide the unit price column. Okay, the unit price column is now not available to report authors. They must use the pricing measures. You don't need the unit price. This is the pricing measure that you've done. Okay, this design approach ensures that report authors won't inappropriately aggregate price, for example, by summing them. Okay. Check your unit price. I think unit price is hidden. Let me look at sales. Good. Now the next one is multi-select other lines and order. Let me go to report view and see. Sales. So
The instruction says we should hide unit price, right?
yes, unit price should be hidden.
Okay.
Commodore says you shouldn't see you shouldn't see unit price. Oh, this guy is not hidden, you know. Mine is showing here. Okay, let me go here. So yeah, click on hidden, yes. Okay, so let's go to report view now. You will see unit price here again, right? As it's supposed to be. So select your — so let's go to model view. Order line. Under 6. Where is my order line? Order line, click on it. Where are orders? This, hold on your control key. So look at the format of this 2000 separator. Hold on, 1000 separator.
So it's under formatting.
Under, yes. See, so that is, you should be putting 1000 when the 1000 is, when your value is not is in 1000 above, you put command there.
Yeah.
Then the next thing to do is to assign this display folder name. So you come to your folder name, close down formatting, open general, display folder, type cans. So you remember we said you use your group. You introduce group, you have to group your fields. Okay. So you can see your cans and the content below it. So in the report view, in the values, so let's go to report view. Any question for us? So now come to report view. This is where we are. In the value area of the matrix, I guess this is matrix, right? Okay, in the matrix, for the unit price field, select X to remove it. So, okay, here remove your unit price. Click on the X here. Okay. Save your file. Okay. Increase the size of the matrix visual to fit the page width and height and the following. So we want to show our median price. So come to this place, add your median price. So your median price is under price, so expand it. So click on median price. As I arranging that, the same way to place it. Put your minimum price. Put your maximum price. So minimum price, maximum price, then others. Okay. Now we still need others and other line. So minimize this. Where is the order? Order is in counts. Expand your counts. See your order first and other lines. So expand so that you see the rest. So these are your calculations. Look at your average, it's changing. What you are filtering it. But look at your median price, the same for a year, for a whole year, it's going to be the same. Okay? Then minimum price. Look at maximum price. Look at others, another line. Any question? So this is how your results will look like. So
Hello, sir. Please, could
please
you
come.
I think you mentioned it earlier. What does other lines mean? What data is that? The other lines. What does it represent?
Other lines is talking about the, let's look at our document. Sorry, a moment. Other line is counting the number of the others. No, others counting the number of others you have. Okay. Coming. So count rows. You are counting the number of orders that the order itself is counting your order, but you are counting the number of, you use it to count the order that comes to you. Come again?
Can we liken that to like more like the order trend?
Come again?
I said, can we liken that to us order trend of that particular, let's say, of a
Order
product?
trend. Okay. It's even better. Let's do this way. Let's add this to, let's go to the table itself. Let's go to products. No, it says it's okay. So order line is in your order the product result to. Where do I keep it? Other line. Have I hidden it? Counts. Okay, let me do something. So that shift control key. So come to this place, already. Okay, let me see it here. That's not shame other.
Can I say
Because it's a
something, sir?
calculation. Sorry, go ahead. Because it's a
Come again?
because it's a calculated field, so to speak.
Oh,
We didn't
don't
show on
mind me. Sorry, for me. See, other line, I'm counting the number of rows in the sales table. Sorry, that's what I wanted to affirm. I wanted to say it. The number of rows in my sales table. You know, every row that I have here is what I am counting with my other line. Am I making a point?
So, sir, can we simply say that that is the number of sales made within a specific period?
Yes, number of sales you made in a specific period of consideration. Irrespective of whether a customer comes 10 times, 20 times, 25 times, irrespective of whether another person comes only once, the total number of sales that you have for a period of time. I am trying not to explain offhand. I want to show it. Thank you for calling my attention. I was looking for a variable. let me hide it. Thank you.
Do you want us to hide other lines and orders?
Come again?
Do you want us to hide other lines and orders? It looks
Yes.
like you
You
hidden
don't
it.
need
Okay.
you don't need it here. Yes, you don't need it here. Hide
Okay.
them. Yes. Thank you. So which other one? Then the other one is order itself. Order is distinct order. Okay. If you look at your sales table, let's look at sales table so that you understand what order is doing. Let me see order date. Okay, look at this order number. Look at this one. 46,970, 46,970, three of them. Can you see these three? They are order. Okay. Then first one is buy a product 325. Okay. The other one is buying 341. The other one is buying 331. Can you see? It's just like I place another inside. I place another to tantalizer. In the other, one of the line items say 10 Coke. The other one is saying 10 jollof rice. Another line is saying 10 fried rice. Can you see that? 10 Coke, bottle of Coke, 10 jollof rice, 10 fried rice. So it's the same order number that you carry, but there will be different line items there. Am I communicating at all?
Yes, you are.
Good.
So
So
basically,
this time around, I'm not counting the details of the other lines. I'm only counting the order number. That's how many orders have I made? How many people place an order? I can just have 100 order while they place requests on 1,000 items, but just for 100 orders. So that's how you create a group we call counts. Other line is counting all the sales that you made, while the order is counting the order placed within the period. Any question? Hello?
hello, sir.
So you now come again?
No, I was just responding to your call.
Okay. Good. Now, let's move back to page 1. Oh, we've already added our targets, yeah? Already added our targets, okay? And if you look at it very well, because of the filter, the values changes now. So in this task, it will create more measures that use more complex formulas. Okay, that we've done your targets. Can I see the target formula? So that's the target for us. Okay. See, notice that total for the target column, we don't need this total. So we need to do something. So select the table visual, come to this table visual. In the visualization field, remove the target field. So come to this. So come to your table visual report view. Okay. Remove the target field. Here is your target. You simply rename that we've done earlier. Rename your, this was a target before. Rename it as target amount. So there are several ways to rename the column report view. In the data pane, you can right click the column and then select rename. That we've done, we rename this target to target amount. So you are about to create a major target. It is not possible, okay, I jumped the other time when I was writing the formula. So if you come to your sheet, here is your target. So I have your target as this. Okay, using target amounts. So we create the formula already. The ask one value function tests whether a single value in the sales person column is filtered. That is, whether there is one staff that was filtered for the group. When true, the expression returns the sum of the target amount for just that sales person. When false, blank is returned. It's not going to do anything. So what you are saying is this if as value, look into table performance, sales table, okay, that has been filtered. If there is no value there, it will add them to, but if there is value, it's going to add all the values in this place. Okay, so format the target measure for 0 decimal places. So click on your target and come to decimal places here, return it to 0 decimal places. Okay, please follow what I'm doing.
Yep.
Okay, so then hide the target amount column. You don't want anybody to see the target amount. Hide it. You can right click on it to right click on it and select hide. See hide there. So that's another way to hide. You can see that is not showing it again. Add a target measure to the model. So we'll come to measure here. So
Hello, sir. Sorry, I'm
sorry,
confusing
I
myself.
think,
Which
sorry,
target are we
hold
hiding?
on. I think what do I hide? I hide this. No, that's not what I want to hide.
Oh, right. Okay. So it's not the
Just
calculated
hold
one.
on. Okay, this is not the one I want to. This calculated one. Now let me go to this place. We want to hide target amount here. This target amount. Right click on it and hide. So because I don't want to see anything about targets. Okay. Please I clear everybody. I hope I'm not missing anybody.
Where did we unhide the target we hit the other time?
Come to your table, come to your model view.
Okay.
Under your sales, there is target there.
Yes.
Correct. So right click on it and say you want to hide it.
I want to unhide, right?
Hold on. Unhide, yes, unhide. Don't do unhide all.
Yeah, because I can see unhide all.
Please calm down. Let's go to your model view, right?
Yeah, I'll just unhide it from the property page then.
Just come to property, look at it's hidden.
Yeah, and I'll start now.
This is the way it is on your system. It's hidden, is saying yes. Click on it to say no. Don't hide it. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay, thank you.
Good, thank you. So I'm to add a target measure to the table which I've already done. This.
How was that?
Okay, let me take it out. Target, come to your sales. No? Look at target here.
Yes.
Click on this guy. Okay, see.
Okay, sorry, Mr. Ebenezer. Have we hidden target amount?
Yes, we are hitting target amount.
Okay.
That means the whole target field is hidden, no?
Come again?
That means the whole target table is hidden because all the...
Yes, you hide your target field.
Okay.
Okay, come to this place and take out, come to this place, look at the target here. You know, you do your sum of target amounts. Do you remember? You do sum of target amount earlier. So take it out from this place. I don't need it. So and I told you that I don't work with the field that is automatic calculated. So now put your target here. This one is formula control. You can see that you don't have the total you have below here. Right? And if you remember, so that's what I'm trying to show you. So notice that the target column total is now a blank one. So the total is blank. Good. Use the snippet. Okay, we've also defined variance and we've also defined variance and variance margin.
Sorry, while I TikTok that he completely removed target.
Where? Under the visualization, you remove target, yeah, cool, right?
Yes.
And then come to your sales. If you are following me, there will be a target measure there. Check it. Make sure you select your matrix. Then select your target mayor. It's going to bring the target mayor here for you. If you don't get that, that means you miss my explanation along the line. Do you understand me?
I understand you, but I think I've checked it. I don't have it. Yeah, you can continue. Thank you.
Quickly share your screen. Let me see what you are doing. Godwin, welcome on board. So, okay. You didn't create mayor targets. Right click on sales. New mayor. Have you done that?
Said it was there. I checked it here.
Where?
Yeah.
No, that was the one we did manually. Okay. Right click on sales and pick mayor. Have you done that?
Yeah.
No, I can't see your formula now. Okay. Okay, so write your formula somewhere.
You selected quick measure, not
But
new
this is a
measure.
quick measure, not measure.
No, I
New
said
measure.
mayor. Close this. Right click says
Yeah, the first one.
new mayor. Okay. Type targets as your mayor in place of mayor targets. What do you want to do?
No, you do it on the calculation board that came up on that.
No, now. Who am I? New mayor, yes. Did you open your notepad?
No.
Oh, yeah, go and open the notepad. Don't let us waste time here. Where's the notepad? Okay, go to your all files. Double click on all files. Do you have two screens?
No.
I can't see your folder. I can't see you opening folder now.
I'm doing it.
Yeah, you're not sharing your entire screen. You're only sharing this window.
Okay.
You can't see it.
Double click on PL 300.
Can you see?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. All files, the above one. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Double click, PL 300. Double click labs. Look at number 4. Double click on it. Double click on assets. Double click on snippets. Look for target there. So copy everything from the targets to the close bracket. Madam, look at target up now. No, that's not targets. Look at, yes, targets. Select from target. Yeah. No, don't copy. Yeah, copy. Minimize. Go to your Power BI. Okay. Control V. How did you go away from where are we now? Okay, right click on sales, new mayor. Control V, just Control V, Control V. Okay. Yes. You didn't do what I asked you to do, Mariam. Juliet. Hello,
Yes, sir.
Juliet. Let me engage outside class so that we don't waste. Today is not. Stop sharing.
Okay,
Juliet
sir.
will guide you through. Yes. Okay. Sorry for that. So that's how we get targets. The final part we are looking at is use the snippets file definition to create. We've created variance. Look at variance and variance margin. Okay. Format the variance measure for 0 decimal places and variance margin measure with 2 decimal places. So you click on variance, come to this place and make it 0 decimal places. Okay, your variance margin, make it 2 decimal places. You can click arrow down to increase the number or type 2 decimal places. Add variance and variance margin measures to the table visual. So we may have to expand this place a bit. Add your variance, check it, and your variance margin, check it. This guy, I may have to reduce the size of this guy so that I can adjust it so that you can see it. Okay, so I just want to expand this a bit. So you can have your variance and variance margin. So the table visual. Salesperson, sales, target, variance margin. Good. Why it appears all salespeople aren't meeting targets. If you check your variance margin, it shows that your salespeople, they are not making target, but that's not the truth. Remember that the table visual isn't yet filtered by a specific time period. There is no specific time period. So you produce sales performance report that filter by user selected line period in the design a report Power BI. So we'll do that later. So at the top right corner of the data pane, collapse and then expand, open the pane. So here we are saying collapse and open it so that it will rearrange itself. When you look at it, nothing will show for target again. So notice that the target table now appear. I think I've hidden our own target table, but if it's not hidden, it's going to be on top. Okay? Good. You will see that all the tables that you are looking at here are all the tables that have items that are visible, items you can see. So we've demonstrated how to make use of data analytical expression. That's so as you are progressing, more ideas will be coming for you to make use of. And request of the management will determine the formula you write at any point in time. So, any question? That takes me to the end of this particular topic. Any question?